If your PS5 is not connecting to Wi-Fi, there could be various reasons for the issue. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Check your Wi-Fi network. Ensure that your Wi-Fi network is working correctly and that other devices can connect to it. PS5 settings. 1. Go to the PS5's main menu. 2. Select Settings, the gear icon, from the top row of icons. 3. Scroll down to Network, then select Settings. 4. Choose Set up Internet Connection. 5. Select Wi-Fi if that's your preferred connection method. 6. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your Wi-Fi connection. 6. Make sure to enter the correct Wi-Fi name, SSID, and password. Restart your PS5. 1. Sometimes, simply restarting your PS5 can resolve connectivity issues. 1. Turn it off and then back on. Check Wi-Fi signal strength. 1. Ensure that your PS5 is within range of your Wi-Fi router. 1. Weak signals can lead to connection problems. Wi-Fi frequency. 1. Some routers have both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz frequency bands. 1. Make sure your PS5 is attempting to connect to the correct frequency. 1. Some devices perform better on one frequency over the other. Change DNS settings. 1. In the network settings, you can manually set DNS settings to use Google's DNS 8.8.8.8 for the primary and 8.8.4.4 for the secondary, or your router's DNS address. Update firmware. 1. Ensure that your PS5's firmware is up to date. 1. Sony occasionally releases system updates that may include fixes for connectivity issues. Restart your router. 1. Sometimes the issue is with the router. 1. Unplug the power to your router, wait for 30 seconds, and then plug it back in. Check for interference. 1. Other electronic devices or physical obstructions may interfere with your Wi-Fi signal. 1. Move your PS5 closer to the router and away from other electronics. Network security. 1. Ensure that your Wi-Fi network security settings, WEP, WPA, WPA2, etc., and the password are correctly configured. Port forwarding. 1. If you're experiencing issues with online gaming, consider forwarding the necessary ports for your specific games. 1. Refer to your game's documentation or website for port numbers. Contact your ISP. 1. If none of the above solutions work, your internet service provider, ISP, may be experiencing issues. 1. Contact them to check if there are any network problems in your area. If you've tried all these steps and your PS5 still won't connect to Wi-Fi, there may be a hardware issue, and you should contact Sony's customer support or consider seeking professional help for further diagnosis and repair.